We'll see. Is it orangey? Or is it tannish? Because I want this to be a transition color. It definitely is bringing out the brown orange. Definitely. Yeah, like you could almost... I don't even need a dark color that's so dark. I'm not happy at all with that. Look at it. You can even see on the end of the brush. Wow. Let's just come back up. Yeah, that's very orange. It's muddy. It's actually muddy. If you had a really good tan, really dark tan, like if you're olive skinned or you're a dark person skin, this would be a great transition color. But for someone as pale as me, this is actually your like dark shade. Now, the only reason I'm going to do the brown at this point is because I want to blend in something that is not... I might even use the red. No, let's just use the brown. It's got a little red in it anyway. And see how that works. Yeah, it's very brown. So this looks very, very, very muddy. Very, very muddy on someone as pale as me. Now, I will blend it out. Some of you may be going, Beth, it wouldn't look that way if you would blend it. Well, I'm going to blend it, but I can already tell you because of the yellow tone, the orangey yellow tone in this, it's just going to have a muddy, it looks like Georgia red clay. That's what it looks like. Which there's nothing wrong with that if that's what you were going for. I was going for something a little lighter, but who knows? Maybe it's time I changed. All right, for one thing, I'm going to use this gold with my finger. You should always, when something's super chunky like this, use your finger, not a brush. And get a little shimmer going here and try to make something of this. Go all the way across your lid and go up just a little bit to the crease to blend it in. Now I'm going to blend it into that other color, which is a little more goldy, and go towards the back. Yeah, this is definitely got a, what would you say? It's a very bronzy gold look, but I should have known that coming from these girls because that's what they do. That's who they are. You know, that's how they roll. So let's just go up. And we're going to add into that the bronzy kind of, it's almost like a rose gold. It's very pretty. It's just not what I was going for since I'm wearing gray today. But, you know, maybe I'll wake up the gray. I don't know. I don't know. I went to the tear duct just to give some sort of a sparkle. We'll have to blend it all out now. Wow. So what do I say? Well, if I continued, I would make this very, very sparkly. So that means all of these that sparkle are extremely sparkly. And all the brown tones have a orange undertone. That pink, we don't know. We don't even know about the pink. I don't know. I need a smudger brush, please. There's my smudger. That's not a smudger. That's not a smudger. Where's my smudger brush? Where's my brushes? Oh, where are my brushes? There. There they are. Okay. These are smudgers, but they're just little ones. I want an actual smudger brush, or short shader is what I call it. We're going to what should I do? Let's use this brown and then add this blue and see if it'll make it a gray, like a taupey color. Really stamp it off. Well, my goodness, it looks like it worked. Look. So that's the blue and the brown. Very sparkly. Let's do the other side. Maybe that blue had more black in it. Kind of stamping this into the lash line, y'all. And that just makes sure that there's no, when you do your mascara, there's no in-betweens. There. Can I run this through the brow? Yes, I can. Be careful on the top inside because that color is really going to show up. But you can run it through just to draw it in and also get the dustier color off that brow. And then backfill just a little over here. Again, we're going to run that through. And all that's doing is just kind of getting rid of the brown tone that's in the brow. Because I'm adding just a